Alright, Parrot Head 101. How to make a margarita. This is the easy method. In a later video I'm going to be showing you how to make a real margarita with real limes and stuff. With organic limes and organic sugar and all that other kind of fun stuff. But this is like if you're lazy and you want to be a parrot head and you're just starting out. So what do you need? You need some tequila, a mixer that already has tequila in it. Why do we need the tequila then? Because there's not enough tequila in the one with the tequila already in it. A blender with ice, and we're also going to use something else that we're going to put on top of our margarita after we're done. I use agavero. Agavero is a tequila that is infused with Damiana flower, which, if you study herbalism, is an aphrodisiac, or is legend to be, according to legend, is a aphrodisiac. But this is a very delicious liquor that we're going to put on top. Alright, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is fill our blender. Up to about there with the mixer. Then we are going to open our tequila and pour that in, supplementing the deficient amount of tequila that is in the mixer. And then we're going to blend. Since you don't want to hear that, me blending, I'm going to be right back. It's obviously not done. Hear that ice bobbing around in there? Hit it again. Still not done. I'm going to keep doing this a couple times till it's all done. Be right back. Alright, we're done. And once we're done, we're going to pour this into a double bagged Ziploc. Why are we doing that? You'll learn in a second. Alright, so here we have our double bagged margarita. Blended up in a bag. That's what we're going to have now. And left in the blender. But why are we doing that? Why are we putting that in the bag? Well, we're going to put that in the bag, put it in the freezer overnight, or however long we want it. If I was going to a Jimmy Buffett concert, I might have 2 or 3 of these, you know, depending on how many people I'm hanging with, tailgating with. And you put that in the freezer overnight. And once it's in the freezer overnight, it'll stay cold a lot more in the concert. It'll solidify more, be like a snow cone that's absolutely delicious. So I'm going to put this in the freezer now. Alright, here we are in true redneck fashion. I got my designer margarita glasses. And, you know, if you're doing a tailgate thing, you're going to use the red plastic cups. If you have parties, you're going to use the red plastic cups. Solo cups. But here I am. I'm just going to show you, just to finish this off, what you're going to need. Because I'm using the redneck glasses here, I've got my canning funnel to help me get the stuff in there. And when you do your tailgating and stuff like that, you're going to need to bring a special margarita dispensing device, also called a ladle, to ladle that into the plastic cups. But to finish this off, I'm going to take our Agavero and pour a little in each one. Give a nice stir, and there you have it. Easy to make, easy method of the margarita. In the near future, I'll be showing you my other way of making them with the limes. I get organic limes and other things to make something similar to this, but this is the easy way for those that just want to get the mixer and go with it. Okay, different colored straws, you're ready to go. That is lesson 1 of how to be a parrot head, the margarita. Alright, don't go to lesson 2 of how to be a parrot head unless you master this one first. Hope you had fun. Hope this was educational for you. And another thing I'd like to say is, please, if you were doing this at a tailgate for Jimmy Buffett, or anywhere else, make sure you have a designated driver. Do not drive blasted out on margaritas or anything else. You want to come back next time to see him, so make sure you're safe and responsible. Alright, Margarita 101. Take care. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my video channel here on YouTube, and check out my blog at www.cooking-italian-recipes.com for great Italian recipes, tips on organic gardening, winemaking, and herbalism, and all other kind of fun stuff that I'm into. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, tell your friends. Take care.